morning. I'm Dr. Manu Gautam. I'm Senior Consultant Orthopedics and Joint Replacement in Dharamshila Narayana Super Specialty Hospital, Mayur Vihar. So today we'll be talking about bone health and osteoporosis. Bone health and osteoporosis are two things which are being neglected and not being taken care of properly. So bone health, what all we can do to improve our bone health. Bones are very essential part of your body. They take the weight of your body. They make you walk. They make you stand tall. They make you bear the trauma of running, sitting and doing all those activities, especially in sports activities. So how do we improve our bone health? So there are few things which helps in bone health, improving of bone health, especially in younger age groups. That is activity and nutrition. So activity and nutrition are two things which helps remodel your bone. The more you load your bones, that is if you do walks, jogging, running, sports activities, exercises, the more there is stress over the bone, the more the bone remodels and strengthens. And to strengthen it, it requires proper nutrition, good calcium, vitamin D and multi-nutrient diet. So calcium, what all things provide calcium to us? Milk, nuts, cheese, paneer, milk products and many green leafy vegetables. Why do we get our vitamin D needs from? Sunlight. So what do we do to get sunlight? So we have done two unnatural things which makes us vitamin D deficient. So vitamin D deficiency is becoming an epidemic. So what do? We cover ourselves from our neck to our ankle. We live in these houses and these offices all day long. So we are bound to become vitamin D deficient. So we need to have a proper exposure of sunlight. If you are not able to have proper exposure of sunlight, then we need to have proper vitamin D supplementation in our diet, either from normal foods which contains high vitamin D, or from supplements under the guidance of your medical practitioner. So calcium, vitamin and multinutrients, good diet, good exercises keeps our bone healthy. What all should we not do? We should not take steroids without medical prescription, especially for gymming, few people do. Then we should not smoke, alcohol, consumption of alcohol, smoking and few other things reduces our bone health, tobacco chewing especially. So what is osteoporosis now? So we got the basis of our bone health. What is osteoporosis? So all through our life there is a proper metabolism which happens in our bone. When we are young, from 0 years to 18, 20, 25 years of age, our bone formation is going up and bone destruction process is slow. So that is the reason we are in positive balance. Till 30 years of age, this happens. 30 to 50, 55, we balance it. Bone formation and bone destruction. ये हमेशा होता रहता है, but balance में रहता है. As soon as we start aging, especially in women, there is estrogen secretion when they are young and when they are ovulating. After the menopause, there is deficiency of this hormone, which results in the beginning of osteopenia and then osteoporosis. What is osteoporosis? Weakening of bones is called osteoporosis. So weakening of bone is osteoporosis. How does our bone get weakened? तो जो डिस्ट्रक्शन का प्रोसेस है वो बढ़ने लगता है और फॉर्मेशन का प्रोसेस कम होने लगता है एंड इवेंचुअली हमारी बोन खोखली होनी शुरू हो जाती है, वीक होनी शुरू हो जाती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड ओस्टियोपोरोसिस एंड इट इज नेग्लेक्टेड. एज आई सेड, अकॉर्डिंग टू लेटेस्ट guidelines, IAP guidelines, 1 in 3 women after the age of 55 in India is suffering from osteoporosis and 1 in 5 male after the age of 60 years is suffering from osteoporosis. That is a very, very high number and we do not get to know about it unless and until we get a fracture, and that is too without a significant amount of trauma. माता जी या बाबूजी बिस्तर से उठे, स्लिप करे and कूल्हे की हड्डी टूट गई. So that happens because our bones are getting weak. So osteoporosis makes our bones prone for getting fractures without even a significant trauma. Plus back problems, backaches, slip disc, all these problems are degenerative spine, osteoporosis से related होती हैं. So osteoporosis से हम कैसे fight कर सकते हैं और कैसे treat कर सकते हैं? So prevention of osteoporosis. Exercises, add exercises to your daily regime first. Second, improve your nutrition. If you are getting aged, if you are 55, 60 plus, add calcium to your diet. If you cannot have too much of calcium rich things, few people are allergic to dairy products or they are not able to digest dairy products, so add calcium to your diet. You can take help of your medical practitioner for it. Add vitamin D to your diet with the help of your medical practitioner. He'll adjust the dose for you. Add exercises, diets, and I think you'll be doing good. What if now I've been diagnosed with osteoporosis and मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि I'm having osteoporosis? So we have a test called BMD by DEXA scan. So it's a bone scan which is a gold standard to find out whether your bones are doing well or not. So अगर आपके BMD by DEXA scan में bone mass density कम आती है and आप ये prove हो जाता है that you are osteopenic or osteoporotic, then your therapist can start with a regime for you to treat osteoporosis. There are few things which we give to fight your osteoporosis. उसमें कुछ दवाइयाँ होती हैं जो बोन के डिस्ट्रक्शन का प्रोसेस उठ रहा था उसको कम करने में हेल्प करती हैं, और कुछ दवाइयाँ होती हैं जो आपके बोन फॉर्मेशन को उठाने में हेल्प करती हैं. समटाइम्स वी ऐड हार्मोनल थेरेपी ऑल्सो टू इट. Please do consult your doctor if you are 60 years plus, and do add a bone scan to your life at least once in 2-3 years if you are 70 years plus. Osteoporosis is preventable and curable. Need to fight it. Please consult your doctor if you are having pain in your bones and if you are having night pains or any other problem. Thank you. चल जाएगा.